Hello friends, in this video we will learn about addition of decimals. So we will learn adding like decimals, unlike decimals and decimal numbers with whole numbers. Let's start. Now let's take like decimals. Now like decimals have the same number of decimal places like 3.25 and let us take 2.29 and they are having the same decimal places, two places. So you can add now. So here we are adding two like decimals. So here whole number will be added to whole number and the decimal part should be added to decimal part. So let's first write it down. So 3.25. Then we'll write it down. So 2 is the whole number part, 0.29. So 29 is the decimal part. So point should be under the point and we can add it. So we will add it as we are adding for whole numbers. So 5 plus 9, 14, 4, 1, then we will get 5, point under point and 5. So the answer becomes 5.54. Let's take another example. 6.005 plus 3.111 plus 2.013. Let's add 3 like decimals now. The same process will follow. First we'll write down 6.005. Then you can see there are 3 places. So 3.1, and 1. Then 2.013. So you can add it. So we'll add it according to the place values only. So we'll start from the last one. So 5 plus 1 plus 3. So we'll just add it. We'll get 9, then 2, then 1, and here we get 11. So the answer becomes 11.129. So here you have to add according to place values only, as we are doing for whole numbers. Now we will do for unlike decimals. Now unlike decimals, that means the decimal numbers which has different number of decimal places like 3.25 and 2.1 plus let's take another one 4.329. So here 2 places, here 1 place and here 3 places. Now let's see. We will write it as we are writing for like decimals. First of all, the first number, that is 3.25, will write it down. So here you have to say that we will convert for the unlike to like first, then we will add. So unlike decimals, say the highest places is 3. So number of decimal places, 3 is the highest number of decimal places. So all will convert to 3 places. So we can write 3.250. As we know, at the end we can put as many zeros we want at the end of the decimal place. So 2.1, we need 3 places. So 2.100 plus it is already there 4.329. So here we can see all the decimal numbers are having 3 decimal places. So they are now like decimals. So we'll just write it down 3.250, 2.100 and 4.329. So we have just arranged it according to the place values. So remember, point should be under point. So 9, 7, here we'll get 6, then point under point and the 9. So 9.679. So here you have to remember, whenever there is unlike decimals, first we'll convert to like decimals, then we'll arrange it according to their place values in the column way. Then we can add it as usual. Let's take one more. Suppose 13.1 plus 2.129 and 4.05. Now here either we can convert to like decimals or else we can do it column method also. So first we will write it 13.1, then according to the place value, so number should be under number, so 2 is in 1's place, then 0.129, so 1 is in the 10th place, 2 is in the 100th, and 9 is in the 1000th. Next we can see 3 places are there, so point should be under point, and the last number is 4.05. Then you can add it, but here we are arrange the unlike decimals, so we have to convert them into like decimals now. So see, the highest place is 3 places, so everyone should have 3 places, so we can just keep on adding zeros such that all are having the same number of places. Then we can add it as we are doing for like decimals. So what we get? 19.279. So in this way we can add unlike decimals also. So just what you have to do? Just you have to convert them into like decimals and add it. So we can use any ways. You can convert them and write it, or else first write in the column, then make it into decimals, like decimals. So let's see one more examples. Now 3.295 we will add with 11. So now we are doing with whole numbers. So the same way we will proceed. So first we will write down 3.295. So number part is 3, 295 is the decimal part. See that we are writing it according to the place values only, whatever the numbers are there. So here 11 is the whole number, so it should be under the number part. Now you can see here 11 has no decimal part because it's a whole number. So to add it, you have to convert them into like decimals. Now since there is no decimal part, so 11 should have some decimal part. So we can write just 11.3 places. So we can 11.0 is same as 11. So we can write more 3 zeros, because we can add as many zeros we want at the end of the decimal part. So to get 3 decimal places, we are putting 3 zeros. Now we are having like decimals. So we can add it now. So 5, 9, 2 and 14. So it becomes 14.295. So here remember, so 11 is the whole number. So it has to be converted to a decimal number. Now we can add the like decimals. As usual we are doing earlier. Let's take one more. So let's take 14.05 plus 12.129 plus 3.127. So here it is a combination of unlike decimals and a whole number also. So first we'll write down the first number, whatever it is. So 14.05. So 129 is a whole number. So it should be under the number part. So 9 is in 1's place, 2 is in 10's place, 1 is in 100's place. So under number part only it will be. Next the last number is 3.127. So 3 is in 1's place, point under point, 127. So here it looks not organized one. So let's write it in a systematic way. So 3 places. So it should have 3 places. So we're putting an extra 0. So 14.050. Now 129 has no decimal part. So we can put a point and then 3 places required. So 3 zeros. Now all are happened like decimals. We can add now easily. So it becomes now 16, 6, 1, then it becomes 4 and 1. So the answer becomes 146.177. So whatever it is, whether it is like decimal, unlike decimal, it's a whole number, we have to make them like decimals and then add it. So like decimals are very much easy to add. Hope you have understood. Thank you and keep exploring.